What are salt glands and how do they work? Imagine living in an environment where the water around you is full of salt, and you still need to stay hydrated and healthy. How do marine animals manage this? Well, they have a special trick up their fins or beaks called salt glands. These tiny organs are like natural salt filters that help animals survive in salty seas. They are found in many marine creatures, especially seabirds and some marine reptiles. Their main job is to get rid of the excess salt that builds up in their bodies from drinking seawater or eating salty prey. Without these glands, they would become dehydrated or suffer from salt poisoning. Salt glands are usually located near the eyes or above the beak in birds, and sometimes near the nasal passages. They are made up of tiny blood vessels called capillaries and narrow channels where salty secretions are produced. These glands actively transport salt ions, mainly sodium chloride, from the blood into these channels. The process creates a very salty fluid, often saltier than seawater itself. This salty liquid is then expelled out of the body through ducts that open into the animal's beaks or nasal passages. When the salt is secreted, it often appears as a salty spray or drops that the animal sneezes out or drips from its beak. The mechanism behind this involves active transport, meaning the cells in the gland use energy to move salt against its concentration gradient. They also have a countercurrent blood flow system that makes this process more efficient. This system allows the glands to remove salt quickly and keep the animal hydrated. These glands work closely with other organs like the kidneys and intestines. While kidneys filter blood and excrete some salt, they can't handle the high salt levels from seawater alone without losing too much water. Salt glands step in to excrete the excess salt in a concentrated form, helping conserve water. Interestingly, when animals are in saltier environments or eat more salty food, their salt glands can grow larger and become more active. This shows how adaptable these animals are to changing salinity levels in their surroundings. In the end, salt glands are vital tools that help marine animals live comfortably in salty seas. They keep the right balance of water and salts in their bodies, making sure they stay healthy and hydrated no matter how salty the environment gets.